Hey, I'm Danny Wellens with ShopSabre CNC, and let me tell you a story. One of the biggest objections I hear from business owners considering a CNC machine is not that they don't want one, or even that they don't believe it'll work. The most common thing I hear is, I think I'm gonna wait. And honestly, I understand. I do, because for 18 years, I own my own manufacturing business. And like many shop owners, every dollar mattered. Every machine purchase mattered. Every investment had to justify itself. Over the years, I learned something important. Purchase price rarely is the most expensive part about owning equipment. The true cost is often hidden somewhere else. Let me explain. A few years ago, my dust collector went out in my shop. Now, if you ever run a production shop, you know exactly what that means. Dust collection is not a convenience. Without it, machines stop. Production slows and projects get delayed. After troubleshooting the machine, I found the problem. A $6 capacitor. That's it, a $6 part. I figured I'd order a replacement and be back up and running. Instead, I learned something that completely changed the way I evaluate machinery purchases. The manufacturer did not offer the capacitor separately. No, they wanted me to replace the entire motor assembly, costing over $1,300 for a $6 failure. Thankfully, I tracked down the component manufacturer myself, sourced the part, and had the machine back online quickly. The lesson hidden was, I originally purchased that dust collector and I knew exactly what I was doing. I knew it was imported. I knew there was other manufacturers building higher quality systems, but I made a short-term decision. The machine I purchased was available immediately, while the dust collector I really wanted had a lead time of roughly 12 weeks. At the time, waiting 12 weeks felt like forever. So I convinced myself that getting a machine right away was a smarter business decision. In reality, I bet years of production on saving 12 weeks. 12 weeks is nothing compared to the life expectancy of a machine. I traded long-term reliability for short-term gratification. And in the long run, I lost that bet. The irony is, I knew in my gut I should have waited. Today, I look back and I realize there is a lot of truth in the old saying, good things come to those who wait. Now, I may have made a poor decision with my dust collector, but I know I redeemed myself with the purchase of my ShopSabre CNC. The expensive part was the downtime. Every hour a machine isn't producing, that is costing you money. Every day your business process remains manual, that is costing you money. And that is exactly how I view CNC ownership. When people ask me, should I wait? I think they're asking the wrong question. The better question is, what is waiting costing you? Let me do some simple math. If a CNC machine saves you just 4 hours of labor per day, and those hours are worth $50, that's $200 per day. That's $1,000 per week, and that's $50,000 per year. And that's before you account for increased production, additional jobs completed, faster turnaround time. In other words, the machine isn't simply an expense, it's a production multiplier. And the most successful shops that I've worked with don't buy equipment because they have money laying around. They buy equipment because they understand the cost of standing still. Most of them tell me the exact same thing. I wish I had done it sooner. And it's about understanding that ROI isn't measured by the machine's cost. It's measured by what the machine allows your business to accomplish. So before you ask yourself whether you can afford the machine, ask yourself this: can your business afford another year without it?